Hey Coach, so excited you found us on YouTube. If you are new to the channel, my name is Coach Sam. I have been a coach for 6 years, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you in just a moment. Hey Coach, Coach Sam here from Underdog Hoops. So in today's video, we are going to be going over fast draw and what it can be used for, what it can be used for you, and how it can help you become a better coach. Basically, this is a software that, it's $89, I think, right now. It could change. I'm not affiliated with the company. I don't have any, um, you know, deals with the company. It's, a review basically of what I think of it. And, uh, I'm not affiliated with the company, so I don't want to, I just want to let you know that. Basically, so Fast Draw is a basketball playbook. Basic, you can use it for anything. We're going to go through this real quick. Um, so this is a system where it houses every single one of your plays for that you put in it to, you know, and it can actually, you can actually find some plays on here. So you can get plays, you can print, you can sync your plays to another device if you have that option. Um, and there's support, and then you have the option to draw plays. So I drew up a play here, and this is basically to describe um, the one passing to the four, the five is going to the corner, um, or the five is going to the block, not the corner. And you'll see that when I clicked, so I'm going to click here, and then let's say I wanted the five to come up. What I would do is I would put the straight line up, and the five would come up as I did a fast build. So look, the five came up. That's a continuation of, the set. So the five comes up. Um, I could do that for everyone. So, the straight lines are, running, curved lines you can make. So I'll show you guys here. So basically you have screening, running, dribbling, and passing. So those are the options that you've got. You can, that's, and then for like dribble handoffs and stuff, you can use this as a signal to that you're going to dribble handoff to this guy, possibly, or, to the five, who knows? But there's an option for that. So uh, defense, you can add defense to your software or to the play. You can put defense there. Um, Basically, you can add cones, so you can put cones in a spot if you're running a drill. You can add text. Kind of getting messy here, but it's all right. Text, so you could put text in there and it will pop up on the screen right there. You can add shaded areas where you maybe want to show your key, and that's where what I put in there. Usually, if you want to highlight something, that's where you'd want to put that. So, all right. So let's see here. You have the option of, if the one has the ball, so the one has the ball right here. Um, If they're circled, that means they have the basketball. If it's not circled, then they're moving without the ball. And you can add them with the ball um, by clicking this, and it says I already have someone selected with the ball, so it's not a big deal. But what you'll do in this case, if you wanted to make a new play, you would just go fast add, and then add all 5 of your players, and you can add 6. So you can, what I usually will do is I'll put the 1, and then I'll just add 6. If you had a drill with 6 players, you can do that. So I'll just get another 1, and then I'll highlight it, and then add a 7. So that's how you'll do that. If you have a drill that you have 10 guys, you can do that. And it's kind of cool. I have drills that I've done, I need to explain it with more than that amount, and that's what I'll do. And then you can change colors. So you can change colors by going to the color wheel, and you can do that by changing that and then clicking OK. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, hold on. Okay, now it should work. Basically, you'll just go into here, and that's why it didn't work. Okay, so basically you can add different colors, and this is important maybe because you have a drill that has maybe 2 or 3 teams, and you want to make sure that you have colors to separate the teams into stuff like that. That's usually what I'll use it for. And you can basically, that's it. So what I've done is, you have the option to add a year or add a season, add a team, add a series, and add a play name. So basically my series are, going through right here, and our teams you can pick right here. I don't have a whole lot, but it kind of goes through that, so you can go check it out. um you can get plays here, you can add plays, so you can add plays through here. Just going to show you guys how you guys can add them. You'll go to my team or the add new play, you'll click on that, you'll type in your play name, um, your team or whatever your team is called, um, and then what series it is. So if it's an out of bounds play, if it's a drill, stuff like that. You can also choose between a high school court, a FIBA court, and you can make it a back court, you can make it a full court, you can make it include out of bounds. And that's some of the very cool things that I like. So this is where you would go. You can add it, you press OK. I'm just going to press cancel because I don't want to create another play right now. But then you can create a whole bunch of plays, and also you will go to your playbook, and I'll show you guys that right now. Let me just get into it. So you're going to go to preview. So you're in your playbooks. You can click on the playbook that you want to look at, like the man offense, or my playbook, which is on. If you click the link down below, you can go sign up for our email list and get my free playbook. And it has a lot of my plays in there. So it's going to format it right now. It's going to take a second, but we will look at it right now, and I will show you how it looks when you get a playbook. So I'm going to start at page 1. So this is how it'll look. It's going to have a table of contents. You're going to have chapters 1, sections, chapters, sections, stuff like that. You can make them however long you want. These are good tools to use. So I have one with just court IQ stuff, court knowledge. That's what I named that play kind of thing. And then you have your numbered break, which I have one, so I put it in here. It's called Spartan for us. And we have our man offense stuff, which I have two, so I have two sections for that. And you can go look at them when you get the free playbook. So, I have a whole bunch of man plays. I have a whole bunch of out of bounds plays and sideline plays that you guys will like. And I think I only put two sideline plays in there, but there are two very good sideline plays that I like to use. So you guys can go check that out. I have a lot of baseline out of bounds plays, and you got your 2-3 zone plays and your 2-3 zone stuff, your 3-2 zone, and your 1-3-1. I actually should have put 1-3-1. It's 4-1-3-1-2, or 1-3-1 as well. That's funny. Yeah, so it's a 1-3-1 as well, as a 3-2. So I should have put an odd man front there, but this offense works for a 1-3-1 as well. So go check that out. And I got some special plays here that you guys will like. If you're in a late game situation, you need to get a bucket. So with that, I'll kind of move on to our drills. So the drills are over here. This is chapter 11, so you guys can go check that out. And this is how it's going to be laid out when you make a playbook. So you guys can go check this out as well. Very good stuff. And you'll have the name of your play, the section it's in, and then the description and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got a lot of information, and I hope you guys choose to go with Fast Draw, even though I don't get an affiliate, or I'm not an affiliate with them. It is just a honest review of how I like it, and why it works for me, and it houses all my plays, and I've been able to use it for the last 2 years. I always found it was, hard to keep track of them. Oh, and I'd be like, what did I run last year that, or where was this paper that I needed to look for my plays and stuff like that. So it's all just one area, one spot where you can find your plays. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the bell notification and subscribe so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Because I post almost daily. So go check it out. Go check out my YouTube channel. I got playlists of literally I have playlists of books that I have made, and they're for basketball coaches, so you can go check them out. They're available on Amazon. And, if you are like them, or if you want to visit our site, it's www.underdoghoops.com. You can go check that out as well. And we'll see you guys on the next video.